How can you make your own custom watch layout on your Apple Watch? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it kind of depends on which layout you have in mind. If we are talking about the apps, you can get inside the watch application and go to the app view. And if you have the grid enabled, you can click on arrangement and reorganize your apps, right? So you'll be able to just make them look a bit different. But the point is that they are stuck to a grid and it's not possible to create like any different shapes or anything like that. I'm mentioning this because in the older versions of the watchOS, it was in fact available and you can create like lines or some different shapes out of the apps, but it's no longer the case running the latest watchOS. But it's actually like good enough, like you can make sure you get around your apps nicely so you can reorganize it and rearrange it as much as you like. When it comes to the watch face, so not like the unlocked the Apple Watch, but locked watch face where you can see the time and other features as well. This can be also customized to a degree inside of the watch app by clicking on your watch faces and customizing those, or go to the face gallery and set up a different thing, like a different watch face which you prefer and where the layout you like a bit more. So that is how you can do it. Of course, set up the styles, colors, and widgets, which are the complications, it's called that way, and you'll be able to just use it and get the most out of the Apple Watch. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you then.